Well, we don't know, do we? It's still a bit too early to say. But it is quite interesting that Laibach has this, at least partly, this effect that countries that they visit or play in tend to get up in some very cataclysmic changes, either quite short time after their appearances or a little bit longer time. So maybe there is a Laibach effect or a Laibach curse even going on.
We rise, we grow, we walk and we stand tall.